Hi everyone, welcome to Coin Sutra. My name is Digant Chadha and today we will discuss how to short sell Bitcoin on Binance using futures trading. Before we move on, I would suggest you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So what is short selling? Short selling is simply a way to sell an asset when you don't own it. It enables you to make money even in a downtrend. Every trading or investment activity has one simple rule: buy low and sell high. The only difference with the short selling process is that you are selling first and buying later. Here the expectation of a trader is that price of an asset in future will be lower than its current price. Please note that short selling and futures trading are highly risky. You should not do it without sufficient knowledge and experience. So now, as I have covered my butt, let's understand how does this work. So once you are on your Binance account, click on derivatives and click on USDM futures. So Binance offers majorly two types of futures contracts, USD based and coin based. We will discuss this in a separate video. So let's focus on short selling part only. So either you can short sell BTC through BTC USDT perpetual. Let us use Ethereum contract for this video. So I'll be short selling ETH USDT perpetual. In order to make a transaction, I need some money in my futures wallet. So let's transfer some money from a spot wallet to a futures wallet. So let's transfer 10 USDT. So as you can see, I have 10 USDT in my futures wallet. Now you have three types of order types, which is limit order, market order, or stop limit. For this trade, you can also use margin trading along with futures contract. So you can increase your leverage for this particular trade up to 100x. In case you have a death wish, so you can go up to 100x leverage. I'll not do that. I'll stick to 1x only. So let's confirm that. Now, my selling price is 1825.6. Let's round it up to 1826. So let's decide the size of the order. So the amount of ETH I'll be short selling in this transaction will be 0.005 ETH. Now, I can either short sell right now and purchase it later on once the price has fallen. But for this, I'll have to track the price continuously. The other option is to mention take profit and stop loss trigger price. And this will be automatically done once either take profit or stop loss price is triggered. So, in case I want to have profit, my take profit price should be lower than 1826, which is my selling price. So, let it be 1750. And in case the price of Ethereum starts rising, then I'll start having losses. So in order to ensure that my losses are restricted, I'll have to mention a stop loss trigger price. Basically, this price should not go above your recent resistance level. So let's keep the stop loss price to be 1900 US dollars. And then I can simply short sell. As you can see that I have an open order for ETH USDT at 1826. Once this price will be triggered, ETH would be sold at 1826. Now, once this limit order is fulfilled, there will be two situations because I had filled in take profit and stop loss price. In case my take profit price is triggered, which is 1750, this position will be closed, and this is what order B scenario is. Or if price rises and it triggers 1900 USDT, then my position will also be closed in that situation and I'll be incurring a loss. To have more clarity on how this transaction would work out, you can also use this calculator. So I'll click on short sell 1x. My entry price was 1826 and my quantity was 0.005 ETH. Now my take profit trigger price was 1750. So if this price is triggered, my profit will be 4.16%. So if I would have increased my leverage, suppose to 20x, my profit would have been higher. It would have been 83%. Similarly, if my stop loss price would have triggered, which was 1900, then at 1x, my loss would have been 4%. At 20x, it would have been 81%. So this is how it works. I hope you were able to understand how to short sell Bitcoin using futures trading. Hit the like button if you liked this video. Want to level up your crypto game? Then follow our YouTube channel and subscribe to CoinSutra newsletter. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.